Namaskar, Srimati Jana.
Namaskar. Thank you very much for having me here. It's a real honor, a privilege.
Many congratulations on your marathon and having publicized by wearing an Odia sari. Very well done.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It means a lot coming from you. And I just wanted to say congratulations for every time I go to Orissa, the development, the infrastructure, everything has just it's amazing. So thank you for everything you do.
That's very kind. And we'll keep working for Odisha. And again, many congratulations for what you've done with the Odisha
Thank
sari.
you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Madhu, 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 Madhu.